Wakulu kaulan shadida. Wakulu kaulan shadida. Make we learn for talk, to get talk. Today, the 6th of February 2019. Today now the 6th of February 2019. I did see a lot of audios, pictures, where they explain in their own imagination about the First Lady in Anne, say a man beat him, H.E. beat him. But come on, these are cheap propagandas. Now only fools like those where they go about and talk with your imagination. Hey bo, you know, I'm not surprised anyway. I'm not surprised when people lost of words, when people torment, when people yagba, when people confuse, when people worry, one better sense they not get. Then ki one turn stone to sansan. You know, they say wakul jalal haq wa zakal batil inna baitilaka na zahuko. They say where the truth team up, the falsehood, and the fordom. You know, Frandia Diva Marie, where the UK, you really sick now you hate. You really sick now you hate. I don't tell Frandia say you get more questions than answer now your life. You get more questions than answer na your life. You get more issue for address na your life rather than talking about people. You get waiting there under you for handle where it was and severe and more serious than talking about people. I don't tell you this, not to one, not to two. I don't tell you this, not to one, not to two, Frandia. That picking way say, in my man no dey sleep, himself no go sleep. When them bamba you know they ever no say word far, Frandia. With your own sense, with your own full, your small sense where God give you know able for differentiate between true and false. I not blame you because you don't know what is a noun, my dear. My dear, HBO is not a violence person. Mrs. Bio is not she is not a violence person. But with your own sense, the event where the woman team up now yesterday, now that event they take place. The HD everybody did it. But you're not serious. You're not serious. Like father, like daughter. Frandia, you know, when you be an okay, you go before, not allow you before for bring you can be in. If you get sense, you get common sense, you know go sit don't talk about people, Frandia. You know go sit don't talk about people, Frandia. In the more serious note, your situation worse than anything where you think, Frandia. I can enjoy when you talk about Rari. Frandia. And for the set mouth sometimes. You not talk about Raribo. You not pigeon. Net come you fly pan to pan. You not fit talk about Rari and talk about people, decent people in our society. You dey seek attention, but nobody not gonna forget attention. You are the first lady of this country, Mrs. Bio, not to one. I can understand your frustration. I can understand why you don't feel yourself. The need for friend mental hospital for you. Something is wrong with you, Frandia. Maeli Conte to Frandia. You for the think how you for the take care of your poor Mamina Makeni. You for the think how you for the take care of you innocent picky where they under you. Where you not get mind all for worker with her, either in Peckham, any part of London. Because the pikin a mumu. You know they proud of you picky born because the pikin a mumu. God punish you. I can sorry for the innocent boy, the innocent pikin. For that God go give mama like you kind. You not give you pikin respect. Take care of your pikin, looked after your pikin, proud of your pikin. Despite na mumu. Wakuluka ulan shadida. Make we learn for the talk. Take talk. You know, some of you that support APC, una lack local standing. Unu lack local standing. In a not get no evidence in anything. In a can just talk because talk na free. Mo, low left bone for dog let eat. Make you left bone for dog make it eat. Frandia. You name my Eli Conte. You got opportunity to reach UK, you change to Frandia Diva. Your entire life sorry. You get more questions than answers. You get waiting for the think bot under your foot. You get waiting for the think bot middle your foot. Frandia, I get more for you. Not allow me to talk. If I talk, you know what kind of social media again. You don't talk about Rare. Frandia, you know how many men you don't sleep with? More than me. Now Holland, you take me one sleep with me. I ignore you. Because I know say you're a pigeon. You dey fly pan to pan. Frandia. You don't even know what you stand for. You don't even know what you lead on for. You dey shit, you know the tamba. And this don't give problems then in your life. Because you dey shit, you know the tamba. Your life sorry. You get plenty thing for the think of waiting at UK. You picking a one big employment for you. Lock the picking 1 year and a host because the picking blind or the picking a mumu sorry. They keep picking a mumu. You know get proud of and work out in a public. Keep the picking a host all day. Because you want to make the picking big fool like you. Frandia, you life sorry. You life sorry. You not even get ticket money for Canada this country. You life sorry. All the money we be getting at the APC every week £5,000. In no day, no free lunch. No free lunch, no business as usual. She don't dey lie. How president beats in WEF. Make them watch the hand. Now all the Christmas go listen to what you say. Now all of that fool like you go listen to what you say. Wakuluka ulan shadida. Make we learn for talk, to talk.